The 1950s were a time for excitement, joy, and laughter. The people's car created memories to last the test of time. The journey became an adventure. The open road at our leisure, scenic fields, mountains, and views with incredible insight into Mother Nature. We learn a lot from history, and it teaches us to be thankful. The iconic beating heart of a generation still lives on today, but some didn't make it. Lost in the wilderness, waiting to be found, once a proud machine lay dormant, abandoned, left to perish and beaten, scorned, rusted. Nature observes and twists its fabric to become one with the land. A dream of being found becomes reality, a new chance to live and breathe. Twisted and misshapen, a complete overhaul from the core. A vision on the horizon, a chance of being set free. All hope was lost, until now.